Welcome to this introductory video on TransAction Navigator, built from experience by a high-volume real estate agent. Real estate agents are bombarded by offers of new, shiny objects that promise to simplify life. These tools often added fragmentation instead of simplicity. We have tons of great tools available, but what we really lack is cohesion. Real estate agents don't just have one system. We constantly bounce between multiple platforms, creating a fragmented foundation for our business. Then there's the tyranny of the all-in-one, the type of system we wish we had. While attractive, these often result in mediocrity, and we end up with the jack-of-all, master-of-none syndrome. Using an all-in-one system can lead to the fear of digital serfdom, risking data loss if you switch brokerages or systems, leaving you with the Hotel California feeling. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave. TransAction Navigator's archive and document retention system gives you peace of mind in knowing that all transactions remain accessible for up to 2 years after cancellation, and you can download a complete, organized archive anytime. What is actually holding your transaction together? For most, it's a mix of multiple systems and, most commonly, your memory. The transaction doesn't really reside anywhere. Be honest, is your brain your transaction hub? Your focus should be on negotiation and strategy, not document location. Real estate agents are required to use multiple systems: the MLS, forms, digital signatures, broker compliance, email, and text. These are necessary parts of our industry, and they are not going away. So what's missing? A central transaction workspace. TransAction Navigator is where the real estate transaction comes together. It doesn't replace your tools. It brings them together. Have you ever walked in a room and could not remember what you went in for? It's not that you forgot everything, you just lost context. That's what happens in a transaction when we have information scattered. So when we need something, a date, a document, a contact, where do we go first? You go to the Agent Command Center. Here, everything relevant to your active transaction has a place. This is where it all connects, and where the transaction has a home. TransAction Navigator includes a core transaction framework, offer and negotiation tools, client and communication features, documentation and record keeping, and business tracking. Most platforms focus on getting the client. TransAction Navigator focuses on servicing the client. It is built for active transactions, not prospect pipelines. Does your client feel included in the transaction? When work is invisible, value feels invisible. Visibility changes everything. When clients see progress, they trust the process. Invite the clients in with TransAction Navigator's client portal. They can see what's happening, access documents, and revisit explanations anytime. The client's view is permission-based. They only see what's relevant to them. Transparency doesn't mean everything. It means intentional visibility. The goal is to give them clarity and confidence. TransAction Navigator is a transaction-aware system supporting listings, buyers, leasing, and referrals. It's the same architecture that tracks different transaction types. The listing builder is a great optional starting point. No one knows the home like the client does. It collects MLS-ready data and introduces the client task system. When a seller asks, "How do I prepare my home for sale?" do you hand them a generic checklist or walk the property? What if preparation was a structured system? The pre-listing preparation system is not just another checklist. It's built from real inspection issues, allowing you to create actionable tasks, track investment, and turn preparation into documented value. Smart Uploads provides smarter workflow. Upload an MLS sheet showing report or offer, and TransAction Navigator structures the data automatically. You make the decisions, the system does the heavy lifting. Remember 2020? This was a moment in real estate where volume exposed weakness. 8, 10, 12 offers on one property in 24 hours, all at different price points, different terms, different escalation clauses, and most of it living in agents' email threads. The volume didn't create the chaos, it was the lack of structure. TransAction Navigator's offer portal centralizes every offer into one organized, structured submission. No more hunting through email. Embed a single link in the MLS to eliminate offer email chaos. Documents upload in one place and data flows directly into the property. When offers come into the portal, clarity wins. The offer tracker organizes price, financing, contingencies, deadlines, and counter history. Once accepted, it automatically designates the active contract and generates the timeline. How many versions of a document do you store? Finding the fully executed document should not involve a search party. Documents inside TransAction Navigator are clearly identified within the transaction. Congratulations, you are under contract. Now, you have to share the executed contract and documents with multiple parties, each with different requirements. Sharing documents shouldn't rely on memory. Instead of manually selecting documents on your email thread, the Document Hub with distribution packets allows you to organize documents by party. As you upload, you check the box for the parties that require a copy to be included in their packet. The transaction package is a structured distribution system that eliminates making it up as you go. Role-based packages include an editable cover message and all the documents you auto-selected when you uploaded them. You tolerated chaos. Now you operate with structure. You tolerated searching. Now you know where to go first. Be in control. This was built by an agent who was tired of tolerating it too. TransAction Navigator offers simple pricing with complete access. There are no pricing tiers or feature lockouts. One price gives you full access, $29 monthly or $299 yearly. Stop just tolerating scattered systems. Start managing transactions with structure. Gain the structure that sets you apart. If you are an agent looking to elevate your service and are willing to use TransAction Navigator to help refine it and to raise the bar in our industry, then please apply to become a founding ambassador of TransAction Navigator. In exchange for your constructive feedback, ambassadors will receive introductory pricing of only $19 per month for life. Go to transactionnavigator.com/ambassador to learn more.